Have you ever stopped to marvel at the complexity of your own body? It's a living, breathing, thinking machine of staggering intricacy, a symphony of biological systems all working in harmony. Just consider the main players in this grand orchestra: the nervous system, an electrical network with lightning-fast communication; the circulatory system, a transport network delivering vital supplies; the respiratory system, an oxygen factory fueling our every action; the digestive system, a fuel station breaking down nutrients; and the muscular system, a movement maestro coordinating every step, every gesture, every heartbeat. Each of these systems, with their unique roles and responsibilities, contribute to the marvelous performance that is human life. So let's take a moment to appreciate this intricate masterpiece we inhabit. Join us as we embark on a journey to understand the amazing machinery that is the human body. Imagine a city without traffic lights or a signal system. Chaos, right? That's where the nervous system steps in for our body. Picture our body as an intricate city. The nervous system acts as the sophisticated traffic control center, making sure everything runs smoothly. It's the body's superhighway, connecting all parts and ensuring they communicate effectively. The nervous system is like the mayor, city council, and traffic police, all rolled into one. The nervous system is divided into two sections: the central nervous system, which includes the brain and spinal cord, and the peripheral nervous system, which is composed of nerves that extend to all other parts of the body. This system enables us to perceive the world, react to stimuli, and coordinate our actions. The central nervous system is like the city's government center, making decisions for the entire body city. It processes information received from the peripheral nervous system, which acts like the city's roads, highways, and local streets. Information highways, known as nerves, carry messages to and from the central nervous system. They're like the city's courier service, delivering vital information from one place to another. These messages are in the form of electrical impulses, which are transmitted at lightning speed. For example, when you touch a hot stove, the nerves in your hand send a message to your brain saying, "Hey, this is hot." Your brain then sends a message back to your hand, commanding it to pull away. This all happens in a fraction of a second, thanks to the speed and efficiency of your nervous system. But the nervous system doesn't just react to external stimuli, it also regulates our internal functions, like heart rate, digestion, and body temperature. It's like the city's utility company, keeping everything running smoothly behind the scenes. So, the nervous system is truly the body's superhighway, governing everything from our conscious actions to our unconscious bodily functions. It's a marvel of biological engineering, coordinating the complex symphony of activities that keep us alive and well. So, without the nervous system, your body would be like a city in chaos, unable to function properly. Now, think of the busiest highway you've ever been on. That's a hint of what our circulatory system looks like. Much like a bustling highway, our body's circulatory system is a complex network of roads and routes, ensuring the smooth transport of vital substances throughout our body. Picture it as a superhighway of life, with arteries, veins, and capillaries acting as the roads and blood as the vehicles. The primary role of this transport network is to carry oxygen and nutrients to our cells. Imagine a fleet of delivery trucks, shipping these essentials to every corner of our body. From the brain cells that control our thoughts to the muscle cells that power our movements, they all rely on this constant supply to function optimally. But it's not just a one-way road. The circulatory system also carries away the waste products that our cells produce. Picture a fleet of garbage trucks working tirelessly to keep our body clean and healthy. These waste products, such as carbon dioxide, are transported back to the lungs and kidneys for elimination. In this vast network, the heart serves as the central hub, pumping blood through the system with each beat. It's like a grand central station, directing traffic and ensuring everything runs smoothly. The circulatory system, in essence, is a marvel of biological engineering, working tirelessly to keep us alive and well. In essence, the circulatory system keeps the life flowing through our body. Ever tried holding your breath for a long time? Not easy, is it? That's because your body constantly needs fresh oxygen to survive. Now let's delve into the fascinating world of the human respiratory system, our very own oxygen factory. The journey begins when we inhale air, a mix of several gases, but primarily oxygen and nitrogen. This air travels down our windpipe and into our lungs. Here, it passes through a maze-like network of tiny air sacs called alveoli. Their walls, thinner than a strand of hair, allow the oxygen to seep into our bloodstream. From there, oxygen is taken up by red blood cells, which act like little delivery trucks, transporting this vital gas to every nook and cranny of our body. Every cell, every organ needs this oxygen to create energy and function properly. That's why when we exercise, we breathe harder and faster. Our body needs more energy and thus more oxygen. But what about the air we breathe out? That's the waste product of our body's energy production, carbon dioxide. Our blood collects this gas and brings it back to our lungs, where it is expelled when we exhale. The respiratory system is a marvel of efficiency and precision. It's always working, even when we're asleep, ensuring that our bodies have the oxygen they need and are free of harmful carbon dioxide. So, every breath you take is a testament to the crucial work your respiratory system does. What happens to the food after you swallow it? Where does it all go? Essentially, it embarks on a fantastic journey through your body's fuel station, the digestive system. Picture your body as a high-performance machine. It requires fuel to run smoothly, right? The food you consume is that fuel. But before your body can use it, the food must be broken down into smaller, usable parts. That's where your digestive system steps in. Starting at your mouth, food is broken down mechanically by chewing and chemically by enzymes in your saliva. It then travels down your esophagus into your stomach, where it's further broken down into a soupy mixture. This mixture, called chyme, enters the small intestine, which is the star player in nutrient absorption. The small intestine, with its millions of tiny, finger-like projections called villi, absorbs the nutrients from the chyme. These nutrients include proteins, fats and carbohydrates, which are then transported to various parts of the body. They provide the energy for your muscles to move, your brain to think, and your cells to grow and repair themselves. Even the waste products have a role. They move into the large intestine or colon, where water is absorbed, and the remaining material is prepared for disposal. So, the next time you enjoy a meal, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey your food takes. In other words, your digestive system turns your meals into fuel for your body's functions. Ever wondered how you're able to move, lift things, or even just stand upright? Well, all of this, my friends, is the magic of your muscular system. This unsung hero is the body's movement maestro, diligently orchestrating every motion you make. Your muscular system consists of more than 600 individual muscles. They are the powerhouses of your body, working in harmony to allow you to move. But that's not all. These muscles also help maintain your posture, making it possible for you to stand, sit, or even lie down without collapsing into a heap. When you decide to move, your brain sends a signal through your nervous system to the relevant muscles. These muscles then contract or relax to create movement. It's as if your muscles are the strings of a puppet and your brain is the puppeteer, guiding every action you take. Your muscles are also responsible for your overall body strength. They help you lift heavy objects, push open doors, or even just hold a book. Without your muscles, you'd be as floppy as a jellyfish. But remember, your muscles need regular exercise to stay strong and healthy. So keep them in tip-top condition and they'll continue to serve you well. So every step you take, every move you make, your muscular system is there pulling the strings. So, we've taken a whirlwind tour of your body's major systems. Impressive, isn't it? It's astounding to think about the intricate workings of the human body, a feat of natural engineering. We've explored the superhighway of nerves, the transport network of the circulatory system, the oxygen factory in the lungs, the fuel station of the digestive system, and the movement maestro that is our muscular system. Each of these systems works in harmonious concert, each dependent on the other to keep us functioning, thriving, living. All these systems are so finely tuned, so perfectly balanced, that we often take them for granted. Yet when you really stop to ponder, it's a wonder that leaves us in awe. The human body truly is a marvel of nature, a complex machine that keeps us alive and well, so take care of it. It's the only one you've got.